Hello everyone. This video is all about tortoise shell and shell care routine. It will be divided in 4 parts: shell formation, shell care routine, abnormalities, diseases and injuries. Each part is equally important and informative, so please watch the video till the end. Shell formation. Shells are made from calcium and the outer layer of the scutes are made from keratin, the same material human nails are made of. The shell has blood vessels and there is blood flow throughout entire shell. So, the shells are living space and a tortoise can feel the touch just the way we feel on our nails. The top curved part is called carapace and the bottom shell is called plastron. Entire shell is made of different scutes. Each scute is viewed with another scute and they expand as the tortoise grows, and that is what gives the lines on the tortoise shell. Sometimes we can even see the new growth and expanding shell like this one right here. The lighter area in between of these two scutes is the new growth. Now let's see the shell care routine in captivity. Maintaining proper hygiene and cleanliness is very important and it is directly related to tortoise shell. Still, sometimes tortoises get dirty. For normal dirt, you can simply rinse the shell with normal clean fresh water by spraying gently over the shell. Whenever dirt or poop gets stuck on the shell, you can rinse and soak the tortoise in clean water for 5 to 10 minutes and gently clean up the shell with the help of a toothbrush. Please remember, do not use any soap or detergent to clean the shell. I have seen people using harsh chemicals, but that is not required. Also, do not use any wax, oil or polish to enhance shine on the shell. Tortoises living in ideal environment and fed good diet will naturally have some shine on their shell. Now, let's talk about abnormalities. There can be various defects and deformities in tortoises, but in this video, we are looking for only those related to shells. A normal healthy shell should be hard and strong, should be smooth without any cuts, cracks or dents. However, wild tortoises may have some minor wear and tear on their shell, but that is normal with wild ones. Captive-raised older tortoises may also have worn-out shell due to living outdoors, and that is totally normal. There can be some abnormalities in outer shell, like extra scutes or scutes not placed on equal distance, which only differentiates outer look and it does not affect the tortoise health. Some captive-raised tortoises have pyramiding. In majority cases do not affect the tortoise, but severe case of pyramiding can cause discomfort and affects quality of life throughout all the years that tortoise survives. If you guys are interested to know more about pyramiding, its cause and prevention, then please let me know in comments. We'll make a dedicated video on pyramiding if more people want a video. Let's talk about diseases and injuries now. Tortoise shell should be hard and strong, but if the shell gets soft, you should consult a good reptile vet to get it examined and take the corrective steps in enclosure and diet. Soft shells are directly related to poor diet and lack of vitamin D. For corrective measures, you should fix the calcium ratio in their diet and increase the availability of sunlight for calcium absorption. Apart from this, if the shell looks deformed, has dents or cracks or peeling scutes, or abnormal and awful smell, then veterinary examination and treatment is must. Tortoise injuries. Even though tortoise shells are hard and strong, they can get damaged due to different injuries. Graphic warning. This part will show graphically disturbing photos and videos. You can skip to next injury or just listen by not looking at screen. One of the common injury is rat bite. Rats can not only cut the skin and muscles but can easily cut through bones as well. In such cases, you should rush to a good reptile vet for emergency. Another common injury is by falling from some height. In most cases, tortoises can survive minor injuries, but the shell can get severely damaged if it falls from height. Because the shell is the only thing which is containing and keeping all the vital organs in place, you should rule out any injury that can be lethal for the tortoise. If there is no visible sign of injury, then allow the tortoise to get stable and observe the movement and appetite. If anything looks odd, rush to a vet as soon as possible. Even if there are no signs of external injuries, it is advised to get the tortoise examined to rule out any internal injuries before it gets late and fatal for the tortoise. In any case of injury, if the tortoise survives, it can heal the shell, but it is a very long and slow process. Tortoise shells heal from inside out, so the damaged bones get repaired in few months or years depending upon severity. Even though the bones are healed, the outer top layer is never going to be the same again and it will always have a scar. That was all for this video. Please do not get more tortoises in captivity from wild. If you already have, please take good care of them, provide proper diet and keep them healthy.